In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the monday.com AI assistant to save time and make your workflow easier. If you're already using monday.com, this built-in AI tool can help you write content, summarize text, and boost productivity in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to monday.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up using your email or your Google account. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu, select Administration. On the left side, click Customization, then choose Features. Here, scroll down until you see the option to enable AI features. Make sure AI is turned on so you can start using the assistant across your account. Now let's see it in action inside monday.com Work Docs. Open or create a work doc and you'll notice an option like Write with AI or AI Assistant. Click it and you can type in any prompt. For example, you could ask for 5 tips on decluttering your workspace. Click Generate and the AI will instantly create helpful content for you. If you like the result, simply add it directly to your document. You can also use the AI assistant to summarize text. Just highlight the section you want shortened. Click the AI button, choose Summarize, and it will condense everything into a clear, shorter version. Perfect for reports or meeting notes. And that's it. You now know how to enable and use the monday.com AI assistant to streamline writing, organizing, and managing your tasks. Give it a try and see how much time you can save. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.